Introducing DOG, the #1 meme coin on the largest blockchain. DOG is a fascinating project that's set to revolutionize the Bitcoin ecosystem. Since its launch, DOG has taken the crypto world by storm. The cuddly puppy with the orange hoodie has injected new excitement into the cryptocurrency space. Let's take a brief look at why DOG has become so popular and learn what's in store for its future. Meet Casey Rodimer, the mastermind behind the Runes protocol. Casey's vision was to create a seamless way to mint and manage fungible tokens on Bitcoin, thereby hopefully bringing people to the chain and ultimately drawing them to Bitcoin, the asset. Enter DOG. Launched in April 2024, DOG is a meme coin that was the brainchild of Ordinals developer and founder of the Runestone project, Leonidas. 100 billion DOG tokens were airdropped to holders of the Runestone Ordinals project. Runestones were Bitcoin Ordinal NFTs given free to early Ordinals adopters. DOG's goal is similar to Casey's vision for Runes. Its mission is to generate a strong community around fungible meme coin tokens on Bitcoin and onboard millions of people to the Bitcoin ecosystem. However, there is one important difference between DOG and the other meme coins flooding the Bitcoin space. As Leonidas puts it, the real story with DOG is that it was airdropped to the OG Ordinals community for free. It was a 100% volunteer initiative with no pre-sale, no team allocation, no paid marketing, no CEX listing fees, no favoritism to whales, and no gifts to influencers. It's time to opt out of the rigged meme coin casino and opt into the free and fair movement. This free and fair movement immediately resonated with the public. DOG reached a $500 million market cap within just 4 days of its launch. The introduction of runes like DOG is having a positive impact on the Bitcoin ecosystem. Increased transactions from rune-based tokens will lead to higher miner fees that offer miners additional revenue streams. Moreover, the appeal of community-based meme coins like DOG attracts new users to the Bitcoin network, expanding its user base and driving innovation. DOG is more than just a token. It's a movement within the Bitcoin ecosystem promising growth, excitement, and endless possibilities. Join the DOG community today and become a part of the future of Bitcoin.